Fixing infrastructure on a citywide level is hard and expensive, but in LA's sanitation department, one man is taking matters into his own hands. He's been testing technologies like mini drones that can help fix underground leaks, and he's developing a set of homegrown tools that help keep waste flowing smoothly through the sewers.
It's the largest municipal sewer system in the United States, moreover than the Western Hemisphere for sure. We have about 6,500 miles of sanitary sewer, and we move, over 450 million gallons of sewage every 24 hours.
I feel like I know LA pretty well. I definitely don't know the underbelly of LA very well.
Most folks think that our sewers are just underneath the streets, but a lot of our city sewers run in backyards, through park areas, and underground areas such as this. This is a very unique area that we have right here. As you see in the backdrop is the Los Angeles River, and that's why we're very conscientious about making sure that our sewers are clean and operational, because certainly we don't want to overflow into the river.
What would happen if it backed up into the river?
Besides anarchy, I really couldn't imagine.
It would just be like human waste in the streets.
Exactly. It would be, we would slip into third world really fast.
Kent is kind of an interesting character, He's worked with the LA sewer department for over 20 years. Kent's kind of like Dr. Frankenstein in a way. He takes pieces from different machines and puts them together, and he's got one-of-a-kind tinkerings. What are some of the problems that you're working on solving now?
There's been issues where we have to dig up an entire street to remove a broken pipe, but now we've developed some tools that will actually go down there and cut it out, almost like orthoscopic surgery versus the old, tear your knee open type thing.
It's kind of alarming that guys like Kent need to design specially made tools to help keep our antiquated sewer systems from failing. From handmade subterranean saws that save us from tearing up our streets, to high-powered vacuums made from spare parts that literally suck debris from the sewers. These do-it-yourself fixes could mean the difference between order and chaos.
When I first started here, we were actually still physically going down inside of the sewer and cleaning the sewers by hand.
God.
There's been quite some evolutionary changes, and it's been pretty fascinating and fun at the same time.
When you think about something that's foundational to an entire city, like the sewers underneath our feet, you can't upgrade. It's just not sustainable. They are going to have to really stand the test of time. So that puts a lot of pressure on the maintenance workers to, fix things and tinker and mess with it, kind of put a Band-Aid here, put some bubble gum there, maybe a safety pin over here, to keep things going. And ultimately, I think what you end up having is this layered technology where you've got the city of the future existing on the skeleton of its past. Sewers aren't the only problem with LA's infrastructure.